Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to group and summarize data in Power Query. So let's start this is my Excel sheet with the cells data, and to load it into the Power Query, first you need to convert this data into a table format. So first select the any cell inside the data, and you can press here the shortcut key Ctrl T to convert this data in table. You can see the small dialog box is open, create table. Simply click on OK to convert this data in table. Now just simply select the any cell inside the data and go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data option, then click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or range to load this data into Power Query. And you can see the Power Query editor is open. Simply go to the home tab in transform group, click on the group by option, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, group by. Specify the column to group by and the desired output. Select the first basics and then select here, just click on this arrow and select here the region. So I'm going to group by the region wise. So new column name, you can enter here the new column name. So I just enter here the total cells. Okay. In operation, I just click on this drop down and select here the sum amount. Okay. And in column, I click on the drop down arrow and click on the cells. Okay. After that, just click on OK. And that's it. Here you see the region is grouped and total cells also showing in group wise. Okay. So this is a way you can group and summarize the data in Power Query. If you want to use the advanced option in group by, just click on again a group by, and you can see the same dialog box is open, and select here the advanced, and here you can add here the aggregations. Just click add aggregation, click on the add aggregation, and you can add here the different aggregation. Okay. And you can use this advanced option to group by your data. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.